Alright, we back to the show again. Yeah. So again, we are in KLCC, Malaysia. So this is the exhibition hall, and today the event is going to be ICBS. So what is ICBS? ICBS stands for International Sea Coffee Beverage Show. Right, let's go. First of all, I'm going to show you one of the most interesting booths. Right. So once you enter inside, you can straight away see the Bangkok is here. So let's see the Bangkok here. And then under the Bangkok, we have Wuhan. So we're going to talk about the Wuhan first. Yeah. So today we have... Okay, what are drink you making now?
Overspent already. So over here, I got 2 drinks. That's all the menu.
You need to put this on. Yeah.
So I got 2 drinks on my menu at the moment. So the first one here, which I'm garnishing, is called the Fuji Fizz. It's the Fuji Red Apple Fruit Mix.
And then
Ginger syrup.
ginger syrup.
And then it's going to be mixed with lemon juice and sparkling water.
Right.
Yeah. So this one is a very simple drink, very easy, very refreshing, clean, and you get a bit of that ginger heat. Right? The next one, which is right next to it, this one is called Spring in a Cup.
Spring in a Cup.
Spring in a Cup uses our Venus Pear Fruit Mix paired with our cherry blossom syrup.
Yeah.
And very simply put, with a bit of sparkling water and then a float of Earl Grey tea, cold brew Earl Grey tea.
Nice.
Yeah.
So
and then we finish it off on the garnish with a bit of Rose Bay.
Rose Bay. Good.
Yeah, so I present to you Spring in a Cup and Fuji Fizz.
Nice. Right, so this is a special drink and the signature drink from Giri.
Thank you.
Thank you, Giri.
Thank you very much.
Right. So,
this okay. I don't know, like, what do you want to do?
We have another important guy. We have another important guy. Right, Andrew.
Good to see you again, though.
Right.
Like you said, let's plan a
So, Andrew, what? What are the drinks? Okay. So, what are the drinks you're going to make? So, here we have, these are the drinks from Andrew. Right. So, what are the drinks you're going to make first? Maybe we all can have some.
When exactly is it?
Okay. I want this. Alright. Purple drinks is a new trend. Yeah.
Purple is the new black.
Yeah, purple is the new black. Yeah, purple is a trendy color.
Yeah! You also have purple drinks. Purple is the new black. Don't tell that to Barney.
Yeah, I definitely can taste pandan aroma. Then the ginger comes in aftertaste.
Yes.
Right? And then in between we have a kick from purple sweet potato. Yeah. And then the whole body is creamy but not too much.
Yeah.
Not overly lemak.
Not overly lemak.
Not overly
Yeah, of
lemak.
course.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also the dilution is just nice. Right. Thank you, Andrew. Right. We have a purple drink. Yeah.
See you guys.
So whoever still haven't tried or in your restaurant, in your menu don't have purple drink, come on man. We are not in the trend. Okay. Let's go. We're gonna move to the machine. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, see you.
This is the latest innovation
Yeah.
in terms of coffee grinding solution from Eureka brand. Eureka. Yeah, Eureka is the right Italian pronunciation. Yeah. Since we're here, Eureka. So this is part of Eureka Oro brand, which is our premium brand. We are now two brands. We have brands Eureka 1920 and Eureka Oro, which means gold.
Okay.
So all the premium solution, most technological advanced solution.
Right.
So in fact, this has at least 3 technological innovation that all together into the grinder. First of all, it is a 85mm burst grinder, diamond inside, or how we like to say pure diamond, which is a special burst that is only Eureka, let's say, made, which is a treatment of the burst, a special treatment that made them more resistant and more consistent in time. Now, let's talk about the technology, which is the most important part, which is, first of all, this is a digital adjustment of the burst. So the grind size is set by a small motor inside, no more mechanical, everything is digital.
All right.
What is that? Is that thanks to that you can achieve the best accuracy ever, because you have a range that goes from 1 to 600, which is actually
1 to 600.
Yeah, which is actually the maximum of distance you can have between the burst. So it's the grind size adjustment. Instead of doing mechanical like this, you do it there is a small model doing that. And what's happening here is that you and the barista and the user can actually read the grind size level into the screen.
Okay.
So you know exactly at what grind size you are grinding. This is a revolution because you can reach a precision never done before. And this scale, this number, so this distance will be the same distance here in this Prometheus, in the Prometheus in Milan, in Florence, in Rome, in Paris, and so on. So we are creating a universal, let's say, range. Another one is the automatic recognition of the portafilter. So you can use this grinder as a normal grinder, so selecting every time the dose you want, the single, double, and additional dose, or the continuous mode. But you can also use it as an automatic recognition mode grinder. So
So they're gonna be more precise, right?
Yes.
Because when it comes to manual, sometimes you don't know what you are putting at.
Exactly, you got the point.
Yeah, especially like you want to have something in the middle. So this one, it can help you to do that.
Now you have a number that is telling you. And what is more precise than a number?
I got what you mean. So when you turn here, it will show the number. So you just go to the number. So here, it just shows the big number.
Here, of course, it's not as accurate as that one. With this one, you can reach something you never reached before. You know precisely where you are. That's it. And the zero calibration is done by a model. So it's even more precise, no? So, let's see the automatic recognition of the portafilter. So it automatically detects what kind of portafilter are you using to deliver the right dose, if single or double, or if I use a naked portafilter. So you can see.
So we have single. It's either you go for single, you can go for double, and you go for the naked. You
selected the double do because he know what he's doing. It's very fast. So you see,
Single. Then you go for double. You go for double. Go back.
sorry, it wasn't finished.
Single. He will show the single. So this is crazy.
Look, imagine the workflow of the barista like that, especially when you know used to different kind of coffee preparations, which is important.
Yeah.
So this is helping the workflow very much.
I totally get what you mean. Yeah, because when it comes to breakfast, especially, oh my god.
You see the peak hour.
Yeah,
and
the peak hour.
The user, the barista, just have to insert, and so this is the target for a coffee chain, very high level of consumption, and also the 85mm diamond inside burst helps to reach that for a consumption of 7, 8, even 9 kilos per day volumes of ground coffee. So this is that is the target, the coffee chain. The last thing in terms of technology is the IoT.
IoT,
system. So Wi-Fi connection.
Yes, IoT stands for Internet of Things. Yeah, meaning to say you plug all the internet device in all the machine.
Now we are going towards this direction. With any kind of appliance, any kind of machines, you have to have something on your phone, right?
Everything.
And actually, it's what you can do with that. You can connect to the Prometheus, so the different Prometheuses you have in your area, and you can basically set the grind size, the time, and you know, basically everything you can do on the screen, you can do on your phone far away from the Prometheus. So since I am in Rome, I can just set it up for you that you are in Kuala Lumpur here, right? So this is quite interesting.
And I like it because you can always refer back to the history. Yeah, and the history will tell you all the story.
What happens? You have access to all the data of the brands. So what does it mean? Information is everything, no? So I can check whether or not my coffee shop is going good or is going bad. I mean, you can check whatever you want. Whatever you want. You can say, okay, now I want to check this Prometheus that is in Kuala Lumpur near here, the Kuala Lumpur Convention Center, and how many kilos it ground from this period to that period, or today or yesterday or whatever.
And also it helps to control.
Exactly. So information is everything, and we are going toward that direction. These are technology we are implemented here in the Prometheus. And so let's say that it's quite advanced grinding. Here you have also the temperature and the humidity sensor, so for global information about the data, speaking of that. And that's it. This is Prometheus.
Every country and some outlet, they are just outdoor, so might have an effect on the temperature.
Of course. Temperature is important because it has also a cooling fan system. So every time it grinds, actually the cooling fan is activating to reduce the temperature.
Alright, I got what you mean.
This is important too, especially here.
Here it's very hot.
but it's fine. I mean the technology are quite impressive.
Nice, and I really like these details. Because you know this, it's just a normal silicone, but it gives you a very nice, handy and comfortable, you know, when you want to do anything instead of just not on the metal.
I'm happy that you know this thing, because this detail, this special rubber coating on our fork is some detail that we have on all the Eureka Oro grinders. So look at this, for example, the XL is the same. So with Eureka Oro we are working on details. So to make the user experience, let's say the best comfortable possible.
Details made perfect.
Okay,
nice. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hope you liked it. I mean,
definitely.
Hope you will soon find this in many coffee shops around. So
maybe I need to talk to Dankoff. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Welcome. Let me introduce one of the most important person in Bangkok. We have Zhao here. Zhao, mic for you.
Hey, hello, hi.
So Zhao, let's show us what is the new machine that you have today.
So today we are actually showcasing the brand new Victoria Arduino espresso machine. It's called the Black Eagle Maverick. So it's in a way like a second generation of the Black Eagle machine, which is already world famous. So they recently redesigned it altogether. As you can see, it looks very sleek. There is it's lower.
Oh, lower.
Yeah. So
It's lower.
it helps baristas manage the machine better. They now give you two colors for the Eagle. There's the silver and then there's the red as well.
So what's the difference between, I mean, I used to use Black Eagle, and for this, what's the difference?
So they've come up with several new features. So now there's a screen on every blue head.
Okay.
On top of that, they introduced Pure Brew.
Pure Brew?
Yes, Pure Brew is basically serving filter coffee or tea in an espresso machine. So that is one of the new innovative things that they've done. They've also made the machine more energy friendly as well.
Alright.
So several redesigns. The drip tray is different. Let's take a look at it.
Yeah.
So as you can see, the porta filter now comes with a cone shape. So you can actually brew tea or coffee in here. And you basically brew your favorite filter coffees within seconds. On top of that, you can see the new sleek look of the entire group head. Cool touch steam ones, not hot at all. And then the one great feature about this is everything is programmable. So you can actually switch from pure brew to espresso with just a touch of button. So that's one of the main features. You imagine changing the entire function of your brew head just with a touch of a button.
Nice.
Yeah.
So the button is going to be here, and then this one?
This is just your standard volumetric buttons.
Okay.
So programmable as well, maybe 1 cup, 2 cup, free flow.
Okay. So this is programmer.
Yes.
So that means if you point on this, so you're going to be one espresso.
So this will be espresso, and then this will be pure brew.
Okay. So 3 of the group also can go for pure brew.
Yes, correct.
Wow.
But what the one thing that you got to take note is that the pure brew recipes need to be programmed.
Okay.
So usually at a cafe you serve 1 or 2 filter selections.
Nice.
You would want to just program it in and instantly serve it. So pretty good feature.
I see that one also.
And then
the
we
grinder.
have the new Mythos as well.
Yeah.
The Mythos by weight and then by programming. So weight is as simple as just setting how much grams you want. 17, 18, 19 grams. Plug in your porta filter and you will grind 17 grams.
Nice.
Comes in 2 burr sizes as well. The MY75 and MYG85. G means gravimetric.
Okay.
So G means grind by weight. So this is the new generation of Mythos grinders.
Nice. So they have this protection. So it look more industrial, right?
Yes, that's the on-off button. They've made several things, several improvements.
Okay.
So the
temperature,
the burrs can be removed just with just 2 simple screws. Side panels as well. So they made it easier for you to open and clean the machine as well.
Nice. Great.
And touchscreen.
Cool.
So they've redesigned it actually. So it's very minimalistic as well.
Look like we have a lot of new product in this show.
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
Very excited to officially launch this.
Roughly when?
This actually functions as our official launch.
Okay.
So the machine should be available by next month already.
That fast.
Yeah. So,
okay. Yeah. So we are done for the Neko booth, right? So again, where we gonna heading now? So next one we're gonna bring you to the one of the booths that opposite color from Neko. So we have a white color booth just right behind me. We have a Niko booth. Let's go to see the Niko booth. So look at the booth, they're totally white. Yeah, with a different kind of textures. And I'm gonna have a shift here from 3 to 4 p.m. and I'm gonna serve 2 recipes here, and one recipe is more refreshing, another one is complement the refreshing. We have a dessert concept kind of recipe, yeah. And both recipe is very into Malaysian cuisine. We have calamansi, it's a new product from Monan, calamansi fruit mix, and we have purple sweet potato syrup, yeah. And also this is a very Malaysian flavor. Alright, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you how we're going to make the drinks and the recipe. See you. Peace out.